Have you ever recycled something just because it had the triangle symbol? Many people assume the symbol means something is recyclable, but that's not always true. Most of us recycle because we care about the environment, but what if the labels we trust are misleading us? According to the website of the state of California, over 50% of items with the recycling label aren't actually recyclable through most curbside programs. As a student who recycles regularly and cares about the environment, I wanted to understand why so many items with the recycling label still end up in landfills. My name is Eduarda, and I'm here today to inform you about California's SB 343 Truth in Recycling Law and the way it transforms how products are being labeled by requiring honest recycling claims. We are going to discuss the problem with misleading recycling labels, what the law SB 343 does to fix the problem, and why it matters to Californians. I'll just share my screen. Okay, can you see it okay? Okay. So the recycling label is often used on items that can be recycled in most California communities. And these misleading labels lead to wish cycling, which is when people put non-recyclable items in recycling bins. And this leads to contamination and more items ending up in landfills. And as noted by Jeremy Walters, Sustainability Ambassador for Republic Services, when in doubt, throw it out. There will be times where you just aren't sure if something should be recycled or not, and it's best to toss the item in the waste bin when that happens. So now that we know that recycling labels aren't always reliable, let's talk about what California is doing to fix the problem. Okay. Law SB 343 introduces clear standards for recycling labels, and this helps avoid confusion and ensures that um, items will be properly recycled. To be labeled as recycled, a product must be collected by programs that serve at least 60% of California households. It also, oh, sorry, I messed it up. So now that we know how the law SB 343 works and what it requires, let's talk about why this law matters to us as Californians. So it helps people recycle efficiently, and with clear labels, people can make better decision about what goes in a recycling bin. It also has the goal to reduce waste and environmental harm, as less contamination means more materials being recycled. Uh, it also empowers consumers because when labels are honest, people can trust the system and feel confident that their efforts are making a difference. Mhm. So today I informed you on California SB 343 law, and we first took a look at how misleading labels have caused confusion and waste. And then we explore how Law SB 343 set clear rules for recycling labels. And finally, we saw why this law matters to Californians by improving recycling, reducing waste and contamination, and encouraging better packaging. Recycling is something we all do, and this law gives us the power to do it better. By understanding Law SB 343, we can avoid waste cycling, trust the labels you see, and make a real difference in our environment. Thank you.